Subtracting fractions with like denominators is just as easy as adding them, shown in the previous video, for which the link is given below. But we will take nothing for granted, so you can expect the same detailed explanation as always. So, the rules for subtracting fractions states that denominators must be same. Let's begin with the rule. A by B minus C by B gives us A minus C by B. The equation above shows the rule for subtracting fractions with the same denominators. So, if you are subtracting fractions with the same or common denominator, here which is B, the answer is the difference between the numerators, A minus C over their common denominator. Let's see an easy example of subtracting fractions. 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4, which is equal to 3 minus 1 gives us 2 by 4. Let us see it like this. Remember that a fraction refers to the number of parts in a whole, and the whole that we are talking about is always the number in the denominator, which in the example is 4. So here we take 4 squares. When subtracting fractions, we refer to the same whole. All we have to do is subtract the parts and keep the same point of reference. So, we scribble out the numerator of a first fraction, that is 3. 3 squares, 1, 2 and 3. Now we subtract the numerator from the second fraction, that is 1, from the numerator of the first fraction, that is 3. So, we scribble out 1 from the 3 scribbled out squares. Here, we are left with 2 squares from 4, that is 2 by 4. Here's the situation. You have subtracted the fractions, but your answer still may not be showing the lowest equivalent fraction. So how do you make sure your answer is shown in its lowest equivalent? We have already learnt that. Link is in the description. But still, let's convert the example into its lowest equivalent or its simplest form. The original answer to a sample problem is 2 by 4. To determine if our answer is in its simplest form, we must factor the numerator and the denominator into its prime numbers. What we are looking for are the prime numbers that are common to both the numerator and the denominator. If we find these common numbers, we can then cancel them out. The result will be the lowest equivalent fraction. 2 into 1 are the factors of 2 and 2 into 2 are the factors of 4. Since 2 is a common factor in both the numerator and the denominator of our example, it indicates that our answer is not in its simplest form. Therefore, we will cancel out one of the 2's in both the numerator and the denominator by dividing by 2. The result is a reduced fraction in its simplest form, which is 1 by 2. Let's do a little tougher problem to be sure you've got it. 15 by 24 minus 3 by 24. Here, we subtract the numerators, which is equal to 15 minus 3 by 24. 15 minus 3 gives us 12. So, we get 12 by 24. Now, we will be simplifying the fraction. The factors for 12 are 2 into 2 into 3, and the factors for 24 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. A 2 and a 3 can be found in both the numerator and the denominator. First, we divide the numerator and the denominator by 2. Then, divide both the numerator and the denominator by 3. So, what is left in the numerator is 1 by 1 by 1, which is equal to 1. And the denominator is 1 by 1 by 2 by 1, which gives us 2. That leaves us with a reduced fraction equal to 1 by 2. See how easy it is? Hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching.